Hello and welcome to the in-depth series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be discussing about that the Geeta Press is receiving the Gandhi Peace Prize 2021. So recently the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2021 was announced and it was Geeta Press who will be receiving this award. So let us first look at the timeline. That is, first we'll be discussing the news, then about Gandhi Peace Prize, and then about Geeta Press. In the end, a prelims MCQ. This topic is important from, you can say, the perspective of quick facts for prelims, because many a times we have seen that the awards has been asked, and especially from the PCS perspective. So let's get started. The news has been taken from Indian Express and it says, Geeta Press to receive Gandhi Peace Prize, a brief history of the publishing house. So first of all, about Geeta Press, that why is it receiving the Gandhi Peace Prize, then we will be knowing about the Gandhi Peace Prize also, because this is important. This is the question which is the most probable from exam perspective, that recently who received the award Gandhi Peace Prize, or the Gandhi Peace Prize 2021 has been conferred to, or who's the winner of the recently announced Gandhi Peace Prize. These are the type of questions that could be asked. So let's see. Geeta Press, which is Gorakhpur based, has been selected for the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2021. This is important because you should know that even though this is 2023 going on, but the Gandhi Peace Prize for the year 2021 has been announced. And the jury was headed by the Prime Minister Modi. The jury unanimously selected Geeta Press for the award. So the Geeta Press, for their recognition of outstanding contribution towards social, economic and political transformation through non-violent and the other Gandhian methods. As the name itself is telling, that it is the Gandhi Peace Prize, and Mahatma Gandhi was known for spreading peace, the principles of peace and the teachings of peace and non-violence, that is ahimsa. So it is the non-violent methods and the other ideals of Gandhian philosophy for spreading, and for this the Geeta Press will be awarded the Gandhi Peace Prize. And Geeta Press will receive the citation but will not accept the ₹1 crore cash reward. So what happens when an organization, institution or personal is awarded the Gandhian Peace Prize? Then in the award, ₹1 crore is given as prize, and with ₹1 crore a citation is also given. So Geeta Press will not receive the ₹1 crore. So what happens if the awardee rejects to accept the cash prize or the cash award? Then it goes back to the authority who is presenting the award, that is the government. So the government of India will get it back, the cash award, because the Geeta Press will not be accepting it. Now let us know about the Gandhi Peace Prize. So this is the memento which one receives when someone wins the Gandhi Peace Prize. It has the picture of Mahatma Gandhi. So let's see that Gandhi Peace Prize is an annual award instituted by the government of India in 1995. Annual award means once in a year award, and for the first time it was given in the year 1995. And 1995 because this year was the occasion of 125th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, and it was given as a tribute to the ideals espoused by Mahatma Gandhi. Ideals like non-violence, Swadeshi and many others. And the award is open to all persons regardless of nationality, race, language, caste, creed or gender. So for giving or choosing the Gandhi Peace Prize, equality is followed among all. And it carries an amount of ₹1 crore, a citation, plaque and an exquisite traditional handicraft handloom item. So the ₹1 crore will not be accepted by the Geeta Press, as they will not take the cash award. Then The Gandhi Peace Prize is conferred by the President of India at a function in Rashtrapati Bhavan. This is important, that who gives the Gandhi Peace Prize. So the one who will be presenting the award would be the President of India. And the award is open to all persons regardless of nationality, race, language, caste, creed or gender, as I've already told you that the principle of equality is followed here. And the recent awardees are, this is an important point, that the year 2021 award is given to Geeta Press, but who all are the people who received the award in the year 2020 or 2019? So the recent awardees are, in the year 2019 it was given to Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said of Oman, and in the year 2020 it was given to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman of Bangladesh. So this becomes important. 2021 is Geeta Press, 2020 is Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and 2019 is Sultan bin Said Al Said of Oman. So these are the recent awardees, because it has been asked, especially in the state PCS exams, that who all are the people who have received these awards, or maybe they will not ask the award that who has received it in this year, they might ask who has received it last year or last to last years. So this knowing at least for 3 years becomes important. Then the previous awardees can be, who have been given the Gandhi Peace Prize are ISRO, Ramakrishna Mission, Grameen Bank of Bangladesh, Vivekanand Kendra, Akshay Patra, Ekal Abhiyan Trust or Sulabh International. So previous awardees are these, and recent awardees are, I have also told you, and 2021 is Geeta Press. Now let us know about Geeta Press, that what are their achievements and why they are being given the Gandhi Peace Prize. So Geeta Press was established in the year 1923 and it was founded by Jaydayal Goyandka, a Marwadi businessman from West Bengal. So here you should be know, if not exactly, then the approx idea you should be having, that the year when was Geeta Press established. And the objective of Geeta Press is to promote and spread the principle of Sanatan Dharma. They want to spread the principles of Hinduism, and majorly where they work is publishing the Sanatan Dharma text or the Hinduism text. Then they are the publisher of Hindu religious text, and they are regarded as one of the world's largest publishing house. And the reason why they are known as one of the largest publishing house is, just now I'll be telling you the stats also, then you will come to know that why they are regarded as one of the largest publishing houses in the world. And it is said that they have sold approximately 93 crore copies of over 1850 religious books in around 15 languages. And these statistics tells us that they are fairly regarded as one of the largest publishing houses in the world. And they have sold over 3.5 crore copies of Tulsidas Ramcharitmanas and over 16 crore copies of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then more than 16 crore copies of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Okay, this line has been repeated, but okay, once only we can see this. Then the first ever monthly magazine which was launched by the Geeta Press, and which made the Geeta Press a very wholesome name, or which actually is responsible for the growth of the Geeta Press, was its monthly magazine popularly known as Kalyan. And Kalyan was first monthly journal to be devoted exclusively to Hinduism. And the monthly journal Kalyan is responsible, or has always been given the credit for the growth of the Geeta Press. Then in the end, a prelims MCQ. So this was about that who has received the Gandhi Peace Prize 2021, who were the previous awardees of the year 2020, 2019, then about Geeta Press, what are the achievements of the Geeta Press, and the jury which is responsible for selecting the awardee for the Gandhi Peace Prize 2021 was headed by the Prime Minister of India, that is Narendra Modi, and the Geeta Press belongs to the city Gorakhpur. So now it's time for the prelims MCQ, and I've taken the question which was asked in the year 2021. So it is a PYQ also, and it says, who among the following is associated with Songs from Prison, a translation of ancient Indian religious lyrics in English. So the year in which it came, that is 2021, this question was one of the difficult questions to answer. People were not able to answer these kind of questions. So just to tell you that what type of questions are now being asked, because in the year 2023-2022 we are seeing that a lot many changes has been seen, especially in the prelims examination. So you need to be prepared for a very diverse kind of paper, so that you will not be shocked whenever you see the paper for the first time, that what kind of a question is this and we are not able to solve it. You should be prepared for everything. So who among the following is associated with Songs from Prison, a translation of ancient Indian religious lyrics in English? That is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Jawaharlal Nehru, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, or Sarojini Naidu. So you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So try to solve it and give me the answer. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.